Your Thermador Steam Oven will notify you when it's time to descale. And the oven must be descaled regularly in order for it to continue operating correctly. The descaling program runs for approximately 70 to 90 minutes and cannot be paused or stopped once it begins. To begin the descaling process, turn the function selector to Clean Modes. Swipe to the left or right to select Descale. Press Continue. The duration of the descaling program is displayed. It cannot be changed. Touch Continue again. Remove the water tank and fill it with descaling solution, then reinsert the tank. Be sure to only use the descaler recommended by Thermador for the descaling program. Press Start. The appliance will now be descaled. The remaining time counts down on the display. As soon as the descaling program has finished, an audible signal sounds. Then you'll enter into the next phase of the descaling process, the first rinsing cycle. First, the display will prompt to open the appliance door. Remove the water tank and rinse thoroughly. Then, fill the tank with fresh water, reinsert, and close the appliance door. The first rinse will begin automatically once the door is closed. This lasts for approximately 6 to 9 minutes. When complete, an audible sound will be heard and the display will prompt for the next step, the second rinsing cycle. At this stage, the display will prompt you to open the appliance door. Remove the water tank and rinse thoroughly. Then, fill the tank with fresh water, reinsert, and close the appliance door. The second rinse will begin automatically once the door is closed, and will last for approximately 6 to 9 minutes. Once complete, an audible sound will be heard, and the display will prompt for the final steps to complete the descale. To complete, you will open your steam oven door. Empty water tank. Rinse thoroughly, dry, and reinsert. Wipe down the oven and soak up any remaining water from the evaporator dish with a large cleaning sponge. Descaling is now complete, and your Thermador Steam Oven is clean and ready to be used.